Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel with everybody that you know. Matter of fact, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post. I am back with another unboxing, but this time I'm coming with y'all with a different vendor. So I received a beautiful wig. That's why I got this bonnet on, because I know y'all be like, Simone, why you on here with a bonnet on your head? Like, what you doing, sis? So I already got the wig on because I was playing in it, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So I got this. My hair came in this box from UNICE Hair. So this wig is the UNICE Highlight Body Wave Lace Front T-Part Wig Shadow Root Blonde Highlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I received in my box. Of course, I received the wig, which is on my head because I had to play with her and make sure I liked her. I also received some hair clips from them, which I used already. As you can see, it's two missing, but I received these hair clips, which is going to be very helpful with curling the hair and dyeing the hair. I also received this beautiful scarf. Some of you already seen this in some of my pictures, but I love this. They sent this silk scarf to me with it. Oh, listen, they already got me better than, you know, Love Me Hair, you know, y'all neck and neck, but they sent me the scarf and it is beautiful. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I love that scarf. It's pretty. I got a whole look in my head that I'm gonna do for Thanksgiving, so y'all stay tuned for that. But they also sent me some eyelashes, because you know your girl can never go wrong with some lashes. So I'm gonna try them on. I might wear them once I get my hair done. Oh, here go the other clips. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this wig because that's everything they sent me in my box. Go ahead and take my bonnet off. All right, so the wig is not on my head all the way. Clearly it pushed back, so I'm gonna let y'all see the wig on. I'm getting it installed very soon, so I will let y'all see after it. But it does have highlights, y'all. This is my first time. No, I've had highlights before when I had a bob, but this is my first time like really getting highlights. And y'all, I had to curl. I ain't gonna like cat with y'all. I had to curl the hair. I had to test it. I had to test the hair out and curl it to see how it do. Because if my hair can't curl, then I don't want to work. But I did 2 test curls and it curled pretty well to my liking. It's still a little curly, if you can see it. It's still, you know, it still got some curl to it. But this is the hair. It is a middle part. I'm gonna go ahead and divide it so y'all can really see it. This is a middle part wig. It is, I can't lie, the hair is very soft. This hair is so soft. Oh my gosh, this hair is so soft. I can't even lie to you. The only thing I'm not really feeling right now is the ends. As y'all can see, they're a little roughed up, did it. But other than that, y'all, this hair is so soft. Like, look at me running my, let me run my fingers through your hair. Got me up in your legs and rub you till your eyes roll back. I'm trying to put you to, oh no, I don't need to be seeing that. But this is the wig. Like, this is it before getting plucked and everything, dyed, all that good stuff. It is beautiful. I'm probably gonna wash it because I want my hair to be a certain way. Like, I want my part like deep on this side and it's like coming in my face. So when I get it done, I will have it on, it will be a different part. But it curled, y'all. When I saw the curl was so pretty. I was like, oh my god, y'all got me on this one. Y'all got me on this one. But this is the wig. Let me stand up so y'all can see the length of it, because you can't see. Like, okay, so I'm like 5'2", 5'3", and this is a 24-inch. This is how long the wig is. It's almost to my butt. But I will have it curly most of the time anyways, so it's cool. And I'm definitely gonna have my part on this side. I'm gonna have my hair coming this way. I'm gonna get a deep part. It's gonna be so cute. I can't wait. But this is my unboxing. Now y'all, I know y'all probably like, girl, why you got this wig on your head? Because I wanted to see how it fit. I wanted to see how it curls. Like, I had to play with her for a little bit to make sure, you know, the girls is giving what it's supposed to give. You know, it's giving what it's supposed to give. And it's giving. It's giving. It's giving. And it's gonna give very much scalp, very much curled, very much luxurious, very much so yeah, I like this wig so far. The shipping was it was quick. It took like 3 to 5 days was their shipping time. It took about 3 to 5 days. It didn't take long for me to receive my package. I actually got it faster than I thought I would, but I can't wait to get it installed on the 30th, or I'm trying to get it installed later tonight because I want to wear it for Thanksgiving. But I will let you guys know how that goes. And yeah, this is my wig from UNICE Hair. I like it. It's soft. Tell me what y'all think of this color. You know, I wanted color for my birthday when I got my hair from Love Me Hair, but I couldn't get color. I didn't have time to get color, and everybody think brown, black hair look better on me than colored hair. But I like it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how this looks on me for real once it get installed and this get cut off and it's laid and slayed to the guards. But that is my quick unboxing and showing y'all this wig before I get it installed. After I get it installed, get the lace cut off and all of that, I will come back and do a full review of what I think of the lace and all of that good stuff. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel with everybody that you know.